interior design standpoint, the guest bedroom and the home office are polar opposites. Overall, the most dramatic design element in this space has got to be the paint color. I used black not only on the walls, but also on the ceiling and the trim. Why? I wanted to make the room feel a little bigger than it actually is. And since all the surfaces are painted the same color, you don't really notice where one surface stops and another begins. The other huge touch of drama in this room is definitely the light fixture. I've gone way over scale with it, and also it's pretty avant-garde. I've never used a light fixture like this ever before. There's a low-slung Danish modern bed with all black and gray bedding. On the wall, I've added a chunky knit blanket as art. It really softens up the space. The home office could not look more different. It's meant to have a casual, creative vibe. While the walls and the trim are all painted white, there's a surprise on the ceiling with a really bold splash of pink. To break up all the white and pink, there's a distressed wooden desk with open shelving on its front. For rich texture, I've placed a pair of shaggy blush chairs in front of the desk. Instead of hanging all of the art on the walls, I've also installed ledges. This allows you to change out the art whenever you want. On the floor, there's a patchwork rug that brings in a bohemian vibe. In the corner, I've added a Scandinavian-style armoire. This is great for holding clothes and craft supplies. Next door, there's a light and bright guest bathroom with a modern farmhouse vibe. A glass enclosed shower and matte black fixtures add a sophisticated edge. From style to amenities, these three spaces offer a little something for everyone.